Everyone, so this is a Toyota Camry 2012 and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this throttle body. It's right over there, so I have to remove this part to get to over there. Okay, so let's start. To clean the throttle body, I'm gonna use the C foam and see how's the result. I loosed it. Now I'll open these, that. Okay, remove the filter because I'm not getting enough acceleration because of that throttle body. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Now I'll open this. It's pretty tight. Okay. I'm gonna disconnect this part from here. So this part is disconnected. Now I'll remove this. Just disconnected this. You can see the inside is pretty clean, no problem. This area is a little dirty. Okay, and you can see the throttle body inside, but it doesn't look too bad. Looks like a little bit is open. Now we are gonna start the car and put this sea foam little by little. Let's see the back. Sea foam normally makes a lot of smoke, but it's just taking some time. Now you're gonna see the rear, any result. You can see a lot of smoke coming right now. It is cleaning the carbon, guys. The smoke coming means it's burning sea foam. Let's check the back. Now you can see even more smoke coming. And I found the leak, guys. As you can see, it's leaking here. Now we are gonna put more. Make sure, guys, this is on 2000 RPM. throttle body. Throttle body all the way. We just clean our throttle body and the exhaust system. So now I'm gonna clean this one. So guys, I just cleaned this one. Now I'm gonna put this back. Let's put this side first. Guys, now I'll connect all the cables. First the map sensor cable, and then I'll connect the other cable. It's pretty easy guys, so if you want to easily clean your throttle body and any carbon inside, this is the way you can do it for Acura, for Toyota. It's pretty easy, and it really felt good after this cleaning, because I got a little bit more power on the throttle body, you know.